students, welcome back to E-Class of St. Xavier School, Hartlepool. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, chapter 14, past tense. Now, let us, before moving on to the chapter, let us understand what do we mean by past tense. It refers to actions that took place before the present. Abhi jo chal raha hai wo nahi. Understood? The past that existed in past is also referred to as existed in the action that existed in the past. Whatever we have already done, okay, and now it is not in continuation. We have already done it and we have finished it. We have nothing to do it with the present. For example, I made a sandwich. Made, मैंने बना दिया. Okay, I have done that action of making a sandwich. People were trying to run away. Past tense, were trying. So, in past tense, we use V2 form of the verb. V2 form of the verb. Understood? Go, went, gone. So, went, V2 form. The second form of the verb, not the base form of the verb. Okay?
Now, like present tense, past tense too has got 4 forms. So we are going to learn these 4 forms in detail in this chapter. So let's have a total glimpse of what we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay. Simple past. Base form of the verb plus ed. Understood? For example, want, wanted. Understood? So that what do you mean by base form of the verb plus ed? And special forms for some verbs. Special forms like go, went, buy, bought, irregular verbs, what we have learned in the last to last chapter. For example, Leela painted, C-E-D, painted a house yesterday. We are talking about the action that was already done. Understood? She drew a tiger last week. Drew, draw ka drew. Last week already happened. Next, past continuous. Was or were, if singular, was, plural, were. Okay. Plus ing form of the main verb. What we do in the present continuous. Is, am, are plus ing form of the main verb. For example, Rahul was running. Why was? Because singular. Subject is singular. So was running. ing. On the beach. Next. Past perfect. Had plus past participle of the main verb. Had plus past participle. Past participle V3 form. Isn't it? V3 form, which we have already, I explained you in the present tense in the last chapter also. Buy, bought, bought. Isn't it? So, bought becomes, the third form becomes the V3 form of the main verb. Let's see example. Sudeep had failed. Had failed. Had. Either singular या plural कुछ नहीं देखने का. Directly had लिख दो. Okay. Had failed. ED. V3 form. Fail, failed, failed. V3 form. Twice in the exam. Next. Past perfect continuous. What is the format for that? Had plus been plus ing form of the main verb. For example, Zora had plus been plus ing form of the verb. Practicing yoga for many years till 1975. Okay. Now, after the table, let's read and understand each and every forms of past tense in detail. So, let's start with simple past tense. Now, the simple past tense form of a verb is made by adding ed to the base form of the verb. Ed, want, wanted. Okay. However, irregular verbs, what is irregular verbs? This we have already learned in verbs chapter, isn't it? Buy, bought, go, went, isn't it? They all are not formed just by adding ed. They have got a different form. So, those verbs are known as irregular verbs. Have special past tense forms which are not made according to any rules. Like in other want, wanted, if I am writing, so I am just adding ed and making it past tense. But in buy, bought, I am just writing it into different manner and making it into past tense, into past form, verb to form, V2 form. Want, wanted. Bake, baked. Regular, because we are just adding ed. Isn't it? Ed or d. Next, read, read. Remains the same. See, saw. So, this is irregular verbs. We are not adding ed, isn't it? So, these verbs are irregular verbs and these verbs are regular verbs of V2 form. V2 form. Sushma wanted a cup of coffee. Simple past tense. We are adding ed, wanted. Ravi baked a pizza. Already happened. Ed. Ara read 3 books in a day. Don't pronounce it as read. Understood? We will write the same thing, but when we pronounce it for V2 and V3, we will pronounce it as read, 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 read. It is like that. But the spelling remains the same. So whenever you use read for the past tense, you will pronounce it as read, not read. Okay? Next. Moving on to exercise 1. Complete the following passage using the simple past tense forms of the verbs given in bracket. You have to just write V2 form in this. Which form? V2. Past tense. Simple past tense. Okay. Soma dash an adventurous girl. Soma was an adventurous girl. B doesn't means be likh dene ka. B means was or were. B form of the verb. She want. What we will write here? Wanted. Isn't it? Wanted to be a detective when she grow. Grow ka grew up. Her friend in all her adventures dash her faithful dog Swan. So B form of the verb was. Understood? Next, Soma dash children's editions of all Sherlock Holmes. No, read. But we will write the same, but we will pronounce it as read. Agatha Christie and Yomkesh Bakshi. Stories. She dash, she think, thought. T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Thought. She can. Can will become could. Could is the past form of can. Could. Learn the methods of master detectives from these tales. She dash. Wait. Waited. W-A-I-T-E-D. Waited. For a burglary, blackmailing or murder which she and Swan dash will become would. Isn't it? Would. Solve. Next. The opportunity the little detective was waiting for, come, will become came. Came. One evening when she heard. H-E-A-R-D. Heard. Her father telling her mother that his mobile phone was. B form of the verb. So, was missing. Soma enthusiastically dash up. Take. Took. V2 form of take. Took. Irregular verb. Up the assignment. A little while into the search, she realized, R-E-A-L-I-Z-E-D, realized that neither Holmes nor Poirot had ever traced a mobile phone. She and her assistant dash go, went, isn't it? Irregular verb again. About the house, looking for the little thing. They look. looked, looked. In the bed, the bookshelf, the wardrobe, and inside Dad's car. Then she dialed, D-I-A-L-L-E-D, dialed Daddy's number from the land phone. But the automatic response system told, okay, her that the mobile was switched off. After several hours, the first adventure of the little detective came to a dull end. No sign of the mobile phone. The case solved, S-O-L-V-E-D, solved itself the next day. Her father had left his mobile in his office and it had run out of battery. So this is how you have to convert into simple past. Now moving on to negative sentences and questions. Like present tense, here also we have to convert each and every sentence into negative sentence and questions. So let's read and understand how we can convert past tense into negative and simple past tense into negative and questions. When the verb is was or were, in the simple past, the negative is formed by adding not, N-O-T, not. Negative means not, or short form, N-T. Sahil was not or wasn't happy with the prize he got. Means was के बाद या were के बाद not लगा देने का. Okay. Sandeep and Ajita were not friends. So were, because plural, subject is plural. Next, we make the negative of other verbs by using the auxiliary did with not or N''T. How? Let's see. I did not. See, when there is no main verb, was या were नहीं होगा तो क्या लेने का? I have explained you this in 3rd chapter questions. Did in past tense. Do and does in present tense. So here we have to take did. So when there is no helping verb like was या were नहीं होगा तो you will take did. I did not या didn't buy anything yesterday. He did not या didn't sing any song. At that time you will write the base form of the verb with do form of the verb, base form of the verb, do, does, did. ये तीनों के साथ base form of the verb लिखने का. Okay. Next, the question form of a sentence in the simple past tense with the verb was or were is formed by putting the verb before the subject. So you have to put the verb before the subject. Let's see how. He was an artist. How you will convert into question? Was he an artist? You are adding the verb first, then subject, then remaining part of the sentence and question mark. Don't forget. They were all soldiers. Were they all soldiers? Verb, subject, remaining part of the sentence, question mark. To make questions with other verbs in the simple past, we use did plus subject plus base form of the verb. So how? Like in the question, isn't it? Like in the negative, when there is no helping verb, we use did. So same way here also. When there is no helping verb, was or were, we will use did. See, he sold his bike. इधर नहीं है, was were कुछ भी नहीं है, isn't it? So you will take did. Did verb, he, subject, sell his bike. Rest part of the sentence. Base form of the verb with did. Rekha spoke to you yesterday. Now, there is no helping verb, was, were, nothing is there. So, what you will take? Did in past tense. Did Rekha speak to you yesterday? Spoke will become speak. With did, base form of the verb. Don't forget to put question mark. Next, exercise 2. Correct and rewrite the following as negative sentences in the simple past. So we have to convert these into negative sentences. You have to correct it and rewrite the full sentence. I liked not her dress. This is wrong way of saying. I did not like her dress. Why did? Because there is no was or were. So did. I did not like her dress. Next. Suma not came for my birthday party. This is also wrong. Suma did not, because was or were nahi hai. So we will take did. Suma did not come for the birthday party. William Shakespeare did not, was a novelist. Did not be hai or was be. Any one should be there. Either did or was. So this is wrong. William Shakespeare was not a novelist. अगर was नहीं होता, then only you would have taken did. If there is was, then take was only, okay? India not win 10 gold medals at the Beijing Olympics. It is wrong. India did not, because was or were is not there. So we will use did not win 10 gold medals at the Beijing Olympics. Next. The bus stopped not at the bus stop. Wrong. Stopped not at the bus stop. Wrong. Fully wrong. The bus did not stop at the bus stop. Some students not stayed back for the evening program. Some students did not stay, because was or were is not there. So did you will take. Natasha helped not me with the homework. Natasha did not help me. Again, there is no was were. So, did not help me with the homework. Rabindranath Tagore not was a politician. Not was a politician. Wrong. Was not a politician. Rabindranath Tagore was not a politician. Okay. Verb के बाद लगता है not. Next. Lakshman did not was the brother of Arjun. Lakshman was not, because did is also there, was is also there. So this is wrong. You will take was. Lakshman was not the brother of Arjun. Raghu passed not the entrance test. Raghu did not pass the entrance test. Exercise 3. Write questions in the simple past to get the following as their answers. I did not. So here you have to convert it into questions. I did not register my name for the painting competition. Did. So take did first. Did you register? Did के बाद subject. Verb register your name for the painting competition. Next. No, Ashok was not the founder of Buddhism. So how you will ask? Was word is given here. Was. So how you will write? Was Ashok the founder of Buddhism? Question mark. Next. That was not the voice of Amitabh Bachchan. Was word is there. So was you will take. Was that the voice of Amitabh Bachchan? Question mark. Yes, Mahima completed her work in 44 minutes. Did Mahima, because was or were is not there. इसमें नहीं है, इस question में कहीं है ही नहीं. So you will take did. Did Mahima, did, then subject, then main verb, rest part of the sentence. Did Mahima complete her work in 45 minutes? They brought me all the colors I wanted. Here also there is no was or were. Understood? No helping verb. So we will take did. Did they bring? Brought will become bring. Why? Because did is there. Okay. Did they bring you all the colors you wanted? Question mark. Yes, it was the picture I wanted to buy. Was is there. So was. Was it the picture you wanted to buy? I will get converted into you. Next. No, I did not go to the post office to collect the parcel. Did word is there. So did you go to the post office to collect the parcel? I was a conductor before I became a postman. So was is here. Why we are converting into were? Because you. When I am asking, I will ask to you. I will use you. I will not use I. Understood? So were. You के साथ were आता है. Were you a conductor before you became a postman? There was a book in the bag Neeta gave me. Was there a book in the bag Neeta gave me or him? Then, Building a new house was easier than repairing the old one. Was word is here. Was building a new house easier than repairing the old one? Okay. Now, moving on to uses. Where all we can use simple past tense. In what all conditions we can use simple past tense. The simple past tense is used to refer to completed events in the past. Very important. In the past. Already done in the past. Now we have nothing to do with it. The train left at 8:40 p.m. Left. Already left. Gaya, chala gaya. Understood? India became a republic in 1950. Became. Already happened. It is used to talk about habitual actions in the past. Habitual actions in the past. I read the Amar Chitra Katha series a lot when I was a child. Understood? So a habitual action which you used to do in the past. We stayed in the college, in a cottage, when we visited England last year. So ये सब बातें जो है वो गुजर गया है. Understood? It's already done, happened. The simple past is used to tell stories, like historical stories. Understood? Birbal then asked for a pot full of water. He added a spoonful of sugar to it. So already happened, telling stories, Mahabharata, Bhagavad Gita, all these stories when we say the fairy tales and all. So we use past tense. We can also use used to with the base form of the verb to talk about past habits. Used to. I used to do that when I was 5 years old. So we can use used to represent simple past tense. I used to. Dekho. Used to go for swimming every day when I was living in Cochin. They used to. So this used to is also a different manner or another way of representing past tense, simple past tense. Understood? Like going to. Going to represents future tense also. It's not necessary that you always write will or shall. Going to also represent the future tense. In the same manner here also used to means past tense. It represents the past tense, simple past tense. Okay. So I hope you understood this part very well. All the exercises write in your notebook, because many of the exercises we have to write in the full sentence. So it would be better if you write in your notebook. Take care. See you next time.